Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Siski, your host. Today I'll be talking about another lithium battery scam. I have this Sony, what's it called? An MPF 970 series battery. This is a third-party battery. I got it from my Sony FS700R. It came with it. I mean, it's free for me. But you know, when I bought it, I got 3 batteries. One was the original and 2 was third party. And the guys who I bought from told me that, you know, these 2 batteries not very good. When he bought it online, I think through eBay or something like that, he found that even though it's supposed to last 3-4 hours, you know, it turns out only less than 40 minutes. So for me, actually less, even less. I think it's around 20-30 minutes of video recording. So I decided to sacrifice one of them. So this is the one I decided to sacrifice by opening it up to see why is it that, you know, it's such a big battery, right? For you know, this is a 7.4 volt, 7,500 milliamp hour or 55.5 watt hour battery, lithium battery. So why is it that only record for 20 minutes? I had a video about a year or 2 years ago regarding a battery that I got from my brother from China that he bought when he went to visit China, and got it back. And again, it claimed to have like 10,000 milliamp hour or 30,000. I can't remember the label. And you know, when I opened it up, it turns out that they only had one 3.7 volt with around 2,000, 1,500 milliamp hour in it, and the rest of them was just paperweight that they put in there. And then when we investigate the individual lithium battery, it turns out that they had sand in there. Well, this one, I open it up. Okay, so I actually open it up, and I'll show you right now. Okay, in the casing, oh my goodness. Okay, another scam, and I could not believe it that they're doing this. All right, I'm sure that the more reputable brand name third-party battery don't do this, but there are some that is, I mean, completely criminal, I would say, right? Look at this. There is here, if you don't even see that, that's actually a metal plate on top of the battery. Okay, so there's a metal plate on top of the battery, and now if I open it up, where's it on this side? Yeah, on this side. Okay, so there is you know, the actual circuit right here, which is okay. I'm going to use that circuit, and I notice here, okay, on this here, these two are actually the battery, but look how small. It's only this tiny battery here, the 2 of them. I bet you it's a connect in series, so 3.7, 3.7, and you get a 7.4 volt battery. But I don't think the capacity is 7,500 milliamp hour. Most likely, based on the size, I'm looking at maximum 2,000 milliamp hours. Okay, so that's like you're looking at about 3 times or more of what it claimed. Right here, I don't know if you can see here, this is actually pure metal right here. These 2 here, it looks exactly like the one that is a battery. This one is actually just piece of metal, 2 metal plate. These are just paperweight, right? So this is just crazy, right? So you have a, you know, a battery. I'll show you. That's like this. Okay, now I have the other one as well. Okay, and all it is just they fill it up with this weight. I think steels or iron plate, whatever it is, to give it the same weight as the typical, you know, expensive Sony batteries. So what I'm going to do is next time I'm going to show you a way around this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mod this. Thank goodness the circuit will still be working. I'll remove, or actually just leave that 2 battery in there, and I'll replace it with I have a lithium battery, 3.7 amp hour. Sorry, 3.7 volt with about 1,850 milliamp hour capacity. And what I'll do is I'll connect in series and parallel, and I'll bring it up to close to 6,000 milliamp hour. All right, and so now I'll be able to use it. So, you know, it's not a waste actually. If you do have this same problem, what you could do is keep the circuit, resolder it, and place a new 3.7 volt battery connected in series to get 2 of them, right? To get 7.4 volt, and then connect the 2 sets into parallel, and you get let's say you have 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, you get 6,000 milliamp hour. Hopefully, can fit in this casing here. Okay, so that will be my next video project. I'll show you how to I guess, renew these type of batteries. Don't throw it away. We're going to make something out of this. All right. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com.